Hey, what's up? Getting ready to strain and transfer my first batch of fermented milk kefir. So, check it out. Alright, so here's what I'm about to do. So I got these beautiful dormant kefir grains yesterday that have been fermenting in whole milk for the last 24 hours just to kind of wake them back up, and they're pretty active now. They've already started multiplying, and there's more in there than there was when it started, so that's pretty cool. Basically, it's going to be strained through there, and the kefir that's left is what you drink, and it's so healthy and so good for you. Love this stuff. Here we go. It smells like, almost smells like yeasty dough, like fresh bread. That is what you strain out, and those, wow, I cannot believe how much they've grown just since yesterday. Turn the light on. That's crazy. That was probably, no frill. It's like that much. When it came in the mail yesterday, now you can see they have grown so much. And what I'll do is take the grains, the kefir and the kefir and the measuring cup down there is ready to drink. Well, I'm going to feed it to my dogs because it's going to be too sour. This is the first batch since these have come out of dormancy. But I'm going to transfer these grains into a new container of fresh milk and ferment them for another 24 hours. And do that for a couple more days. Every day I'll change the milk out, and I'm guessing maybe around the fourth day, the fourth change out, the kefir is going to be absolutely delicious, and it'll regulate, and I'm really excited about this because these are growing so fast. Well, there it is. Nothing to it but to do it. This is a delicious, fresh bowl of kefir that I'm going to give to my dogs because they love it, and it's not exactly going to be the greatest batch, as I already said, but in there, I don't know if you can see them, are my grains that are going to start fermenting in this batch. And tomorrow we'll do the same thing. And these, you keep for life. These grains continue to multiply, and you can divide them out, you can give them away, and look this stuff up. It has amazing antimicrobial properties, it has amazing healing properties. I can't even sit here and list everything that kefir is beneficial for. So look it up if you don't know what it is. It's spelled Kefir, and it's absolutely incredible. I've been researching a lot about this. There have been a lot of clinical trials and stuff just on this stuff. It has anti-tumor properties. It's unbelievable. So check it out if you don't already know what it is. Kind of tastes like yogurt, except it's non-dairy. There's no lactose in it. It eats the lactose in milk. So you ferment it in the milk, and then by the time it's ready to drink, there's zero milk in there. Looks like milk, but it's not milk, I promise.